Good, wonderful morning, everybody. We got little hoppy things, big hoppy things, but they've gone to ground up there, so you can't see them. Too well hidden and camouflaged in the grass. But they saw them. Well, good, wonderful morning, everybody. Wolfie says, oh, that's such a big job. She's done remarkably well. She's been pulling me up these big hills. So we've gone up 100 metres, so what's that, 300 feet? Almost, it would be about a 35, 40 degree angle at least. And she did so well pulling her daddy up. And now we're going back down. So we've been up that hill and we're going down. And then we'll hopefully, if we can, go around back to the car. So everybody's huffing and puffing at the moment. It's hot. It's about 16, 17 degrees, I think, at the moment, is my guess. It's hard to tell when you... I've got just a t-shirt on, and I'm hot, and I did take my jacket because it was cold when we started, but I left that in the car thinking, oh, I won't need that, and I'm glad I didn't take it now. And the cacti is flowering down there. Red flowers. Probably because of all the rain that we've been getting. Well, we'll continue our walk down there. There is a road down there as well, but we don't go to the road. So I've been here in this bit once. I think once, maybe twice. So we don't really know where we're going. It's probably an hour's walk to get down there. You know, from the car. Probably an hour and a half from the car. And an hour and a half back. To 2 hours, depending on how these guys are. You can see Wolf is already getting tired. So it might be closer to 2 hours getting back. There's lots of stop starting and rest breaks. I got water, don't worry. So I had to bring water just in case. So we've got to go down this hill and then we're going to go around and, well, hopefully around. I think the trail goes around. And then we're going to go up the hill again. Do what we just did. Tell you what, it's not easy going up and down these hills. They're so steep and tall. And there's mountain bikers around. I think there's one around. There's another hiker. He was there when we turned up. And when we were coming here, we passed another mountain biker on the road. So they're around, taking advantage of the Easter long weekend. We'll catch up with you soon, everybody. See you later.